Alright, this is going to be a video to show you on how to add a patrolized magnet mount to your Miufly camera. This particular model is the one with the new version with the horizontal clip. The only mount that will work is this new one over here. The older style version, if it's a vertical clip, we have a different mount for. So there's going to be one for each different one. So Miufly sends you this GoPro adapter over here. You're going to want to disassemble the two screws, and then you're going to want to go ahead and attach the klickfast mount to the top part of the actual mount. This right part will be sticking out to make sure that you attach it correctly for the bracket for the camera. So when we slide in the camera, the mount should be up along the top here. So you're going to want to use some Loctite or Gorilla Glue while doing this procedure to make sure that the mount does not twist. To the back side of it, just a small dot. If you do use Gorilla Glue, we recommend clamping it down. Now we're going to attach some glue to the back side of the clip so that it does not turn. Once the glue has been added, attach the nut securely to the actual mount. And then we're going to go ahead and slide that into the actual camera out here on the side. And the mount will face up this way. And we're going to take the magnet mount, and that slides right into the spot. And that is our finished product.